Alright guys, I have just finished making my PVC whistle. Are you ready? Woo! Yeah, there it is. So I actually added another pipe. So I'll just show you really quick right here. I connected them all together. I used the kind of boat whistle kind of looking thing, but it's kind of make to look more like the K5LA. That's what I made it to. So they're taped right now on the top. This one right here, but soon I'm gonna carefully take this off without moving it and hot glue it in place. So yeah, this is how the lowest one sounds. I can plug these two, so you can hear that lowest tone. I'll try and show you again. So there it is, but you need to hear it with all. It sounds absolutely amazing. Listen. I also got a blower here to show you, but just listen to this first. Sounds really good. So there's a brief view of it there, but listen to it with all. Just listen.